2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ is not just a luxury SUV. It's the boldest electric statement ever made by Cadillac. It marks a revolutionary leap into the future, combining jaw-dropping technology with timeless Escalade luxury and unmatched presence. Built on GM's cutting-edge Ultium platform, this all-electric full-size SUV delivers an incredible estimated range of over 450 miles on a single charge, with up to 750 horsepower and 785 pounds-ft of torque, giving you performance that rivals high-end sports cars while staying whisper quiet and smooth. From the very first glance, the Escalade IQ demands attention. The illuminated Cadillac crest, full-width digital light blade, and dynamic front-led panels showcase the brand's next-gen design language. Its silhouette is sleek, elongated, and futuristic, built with precision for both aerodynamic efficiency and massive road presence. The 24-inch wheels, flush door handles, and bold body lines add power and elegance in perfect harmony. Step inside, and you're in another world. The cabin is nothing short of a tech sanctuary, centered around a curved 55-inch LED display that stretches from driver to passenger. It's more than a screen, it's an immersive command center, paired with a 40-speaker AKG studio reference sound system, custom ambient lighting, reclining rear executive seating, and a panoramic fixed-glass roof. The experience feels like you're riding in a luxury hotel suite that floats. But the Escalade IQ doesn't just look amazing, it's incredibly smart. With hands-free Super Cruise for true autonomous highway driving, 4-wheel steering for tight maneuvering, and adaptive air suspension for a cloud-like ride, every journey is stress-free and luxurious. Even towing is intelligent and efficient, thanks to advanced trailer assist and real-time load balancing. Cadillac has also reimagined the Escalade's spaciousness with 3 rows of ultra-premium seating, a massive cargo area, and fold-flat configurations. You get utility without sacrificing luxury. Every inch of the interior is crafted with fine materials, genuine wood, leather, aluminum, and attention to detail you can feel. The 2026 Escalade IQ is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. It's Cadillac's boldest leap forward into the all-electric era, and a declaration that electric doesn't have to mean minimal. It can mean majestic, powerful, and iconic. This is the future of luxury SUVs, and it's more thrilling, elegant, and commanding than ever before. Channel. Name luxury cars drive *.